Step by step, finish the journey. Sentence by sentence, master a language.
Approve and accept.
Morning? Out for a walk?
Yeah, just going for a walk.
Did your manager say yes to your leave request?
Yes, they accepted my leave request yesterday.
Almost right. They approved your leave request.
But they did say yes? Why can't I use accept here?
Because a leave request requires official approval. That's approve, not accept.
I see. Then the company approved my resignation letter, right?
Careful again. They accepted your resignation. They don't approve it.
So, they approve requests and plans, but accept letters and offers. Is that correct?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Let me try again. The manager approved my leave request, and the company accepted my resignation.
That's perfect. Now everything is clear.
Thanks. See you later.
All right, enjoy your walk.
Summarize. Approve. Approve means to officially agree to something. Only someone with authority can approve. Examples. The manager approved my leave. The board approved the plan. The company approved the request. Accept. Accept means to receive or agree to something offered. Anyone can accept. Examples. I accepted the job offer. She didn't accept the invitation. The company accepted his resignation.
Let's practice.
That's enough for approve and accept in this part. Here's your sentence to practice. You may accept the situation, but that doesn't mean you have to approve of it.